Today we'll talk about how can you figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Telegram X app. So all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it here. Then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do, just go down here. Then you click here on privacy and security, click on it here. Then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do now, just go down here. So you keep going down here. Then you click here on forward messages. Then it's going to take you to this list. And here can you select here who can add a link to your account when forwarding here your messages in this list. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.